Welcome one and all, Master Designers. Tonight we're gonna draw Emperor Greymon. One of my favorite Digimon from Digimon Frontier, and one of the top strongest. I consider this Digimon as one of my favorite fighters, along with the other Digimon that we've discovered in the past. May this be a reminder that I'm a huge fan of the series. Emperor Greymon reminds me of all the legendary beings that we've encountered in the past, such as a Shogun and Manticore. We drew his upper half, now we draw the rest of him.
Look to the past as we head for the future to reclaim the digital world. With faith in ourselves and trust in each other, we'll live by the lessons we learned. As we work towards one solution, through a spirit evolution. I am the one, Digimon, forever united.
There's the funnel sticking. As you can see, I drew the funnel sticking out of his back. Now we draw the teeth. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Look to the past as we head for the future to reclaim the digital world. With faith in ourselves and trust in each other, we'll live by the lessons we've learned. As we work towards one solution, through a spirit evolution. I am the one, Digimon, forever united as one. Digimon,
Now we draw Emperor Greymon's hand and shoulder pad.
through us let your spirit live. If we're all for one world, there's a world for us all. If we're all for one world, there's a world for us all. Digimon.
Now here's his vulture-like, eagle-shaped shoulder palms.
Look to the past as we head for the future to reclaim the digital world. With faith in ourselves and trust in each other, we'll live by the lessons we learned. As we work towards one solution, through a spirit evolution. I am the one, Digimon, forever united as one. Digimon, together the battles are won. Digimon, through us let your spirit evolve. If we're all for one world, there's a world for us all. If we're all for one world, there's a world for us all. Digimon.
Now we draw the teeth here. There we go.
Look to the past and trust in each other. We'll live by the lessons we've learned. As we work towards one solution, through spirit evolution. I am the one, I am the one. Digimon, forever united as one. Digimon, together the battles are won. Digimon, through us let your spirit ignite. If we're all for one world, there's a world for us all. If we're all for
There we go.
one world, there's a world for us all. Digimon.
There's his other half. Now we draw his legs here.
Look to the past as we head for the future to reclaim the digital world.
And there he is, everyone. That's how you draw Emperor Greymon. If you want to draw more characters like Emperor Greymon, please go to my site, and for a reminder, I've got more like this coming soon. Please like and rocket, subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Hashtag Emperor Greymon.